Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, welcome everyone to Iqra with Iqra's first segment. And today we will be looking into our towards reading the Quran, part 1, the qaida in which the Iqra with Iqra started going back 10 years now, 2010. Alhamdulillah, this qaida is taught to you. I teach you this qaida every Mondays. We stick to Mondays for this. Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays we stick to our normal Nurani Qaida, the other one that I started teaching in this very Iqra with Iqra show. So, but on Mondays it's only this Qaida, only not the other one. Now, Fridays we have moved our Khatm al-Quran on a Friday away from Thursday. It used to be Thursdays, it is now on Friday. So starting of the week, we've got towards reading the Quran, part 1, the Qaida. So we are together, hopefully going to complete a Qaida, do a completion of the Qaida. End of the week, we've got Khatm al-Quran. End of the week, we've got finishing the Quran. And in between Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, we have our QMQ, Qaida Memorization Quran, Qaida Memorization Quran. Okay, and last segments each of the days from Monday to Friday, we have our different subjects and topics in those very subjects. Today, for example, we have our Skype session. So we have our guest, inshallah, all the way from Texas, America, Imam Zia Sheikh, inshallah. So he will be joining us in the last segment. Again, really to talk about and to discuss yourselves, the youth, the next generation, education, school education, Islamic education, and how one should be as citizens, how the youth should be, inshallah, of this time and era and this age. So hopefully that will all take place in the last segment only today. Tomorrow and Wednesdays and Thursdays, every Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, we have our DYK session. Did you know about Fiqh al-Islam on a Tuesday? Did you know about Sirat al-Nabi on a Wednesday? Did you know about essential du'as on a Thursday? And Fridays, every Fridays, we have who wants to be the best reciter, and whoever is the best reciter or reciters will go to the Q Factor of this year, one of the inshallah advanced rounds in the Q Factor 2020. Okay, so let's go to our callers now and let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam. Who's calling?
Assalamu alaikum.
Is that Anas?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, alhamdulillah, Ustad.
Very well. Okay, we're doing the qaida from the beginning towards reading the Quran, okay? When you're ready. There's 4 slides to read. And I will be asking you sifat, and also I will be asking you makhraj. ठीक है? When you're ready.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin.
Sheen.
Wad, wad.
Now, you know, look, it's not swad, dod. Again, start again. Alif.
Alif, ba, ta. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha, dal, zal.
Not dal. Dal, dal. Slightly long. One alif.
Dal.
Dal, dal.
Dal, zal.
Now, you're saying dal.
Oh.
It's not dal. It's dal, dal. Dal, alif, dal spells dal. Dal, alif, dal spells dal.
Dal, zal. Ra, sin.
No, after ra, it's za.
Za, sin, shin, sad.
Not sad. Again,
Sad.
sad, alif, dal spells sad.
Sad, ta, zad.
No, after sad, it's dad.
Wad.
After sad, it's dad.
Dad, ta, za, ayn, ghayn, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, wow, hamza, yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next slide. Third slide now.
Zwad,
No, no.
zwad,
It's the tip of the tongue. Say adha.
Allah,
Yeah, tip of the tongue touches the edges of your upper central incisors. So it's the.
da, fa, wow, ha,
No, no, after wow, it's jim.
wow, jim, ya, sa, sin, ha, kaf, zal,
Not
hamza,
zal, not zal. Za, za.
za, alif, ta, swad,
Not sad, sad.
swad,
Sad.
pod,
Uh.
ba, ba, qa, shin, zal,
Zal, zal.
zal, ta,
No, no,
ha,
no, 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 not da, dad.
Zod, ha,
Yeah.
lam,
Not
noon,
lam, not lam. Lam,
lam.
alif, lam spells lam, lam.
لام نون دال را عين خا عين ميم سين ذا
No za,
ذل
zal. It's the name of the letter, zal. There is no fatha on it. Zal.
ذل
Ah.
صاد
No sad. It's sad. Sad,
صاد
sad, alif, dal spells sad.
صاد ح
Right. Okay, now listen, if these are names of the letters you're getting wrong. Even though you read the Quran well, but these are names, asma'ul huruf, name of the letters of the alphabet, you're getting wrong. Because you are not, for example, you're saying dal. It's not dal, it's dal. Dal alif lam, okay? So you need to get
Okay.
all of that right, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Anasullah.
Sorry.
Time's up, speak to you soon. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Who's that?
Alicia.
Alicia from Bradford.
Yeah,
How are you, Alicia?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's do lesson 1, the 4 slides, please.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, lal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, la,
No, not ta. It's ta, the.
ta,
No, listen, it's Alicia, not too long. Ta, the.
ta, za.
Uh,
Ein, Rein, Sa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow, Ha, Ya.
okay, good. Now let's do the 3rd slide.
La, La,
Uh-huh.
Fa, Wow, Sin, Ya, Sa, Sin, Ha, Ka, Za, Alif, Ba, Sad, Ta, Ba, Ba, Qaf,
Sheen.
Shin, Dal, Dad, Ha, Lam, Noon, Dal, Ra, Ghain, Ha, Ain, Mim, Sin, Zal, Sad, Ha.
Okay, that's good. Now tell me, Alicia, the makhraj for alif. Do you know the makhraj for the letter alif?
The mouth and throat.
Huh? What?
The sound originates from the mouth and throat.
Yes, from the empty space in the mouth and throat, okay?
Okay.
Empty space. What about ba? Do you know the makhraj for ba? Have you learned them?
Can I have a time to learn at home?
Yes, you can. So what you do is
Yeah.
you can go on YouTube
Yeah. Yeah.
And if once you go tell your mummy or someone to take you on YouTube, or maybe you can go yourself and type in my name. What's my name?
Rayan Mahmud.
And then you type that in and makharij in English. Type in my name and then makharij in English, and the makharaj, the video will come up and you can learn it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Go on, carry on. What did you say?
Will I be able to read the surah?
The what?
Surah.
Yes, surahs tomorrow. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays will be surah for qaida memorization Quran, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Time's up, Alisha. Allah Hafiz. She tried. She's going to learn the makharij and get back. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Who's calling?
Safura.
Safura, how are you?
I'm good.
Excellent, Safura. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the 4 slides.
I'm doing page 11.
No. This is another qaida on Mondays we do. So page 11 you will do tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, good girl. Let's start.
Can you make it a bit bigger, please?
Yes, we can bring it closer for you.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dod, ta, za, rain, fa, ka, lam, mim, noon, waw, hamza, ya.
Noon, wow, ha, ya. Okay?
Okay.
It's not wow, it's wow. Okay, let's do the third slide.
Za, ba, wow, ji.
Okay, it's wow, not whoa. It's wow. Where?
Wow, jin, ya, sa.
No. After wow, jim, and then ya, tha. Carry on.
Ya, sa, jin, ha, ka, za.
No, not ka. Kaf.
Ka, za, alif, ta, rod, ta.
No, not ta. Ta.
Ta, ba, ka.
Yeah. Sheen.
Sheen, dal.
Zal.
Sheen, zal, dad, ha, lam, noon, dal, ra, rain, ha,
Ain.
rain, mim, een, dal, dad, ha.
Okay, good. Do you know the makhraj for alif? You haven't learned the makharij yet, no?
No.
Okay, so you also, Safura, Daniel and Yasin, your mother, Mrs. Khan, can also help you because they know it. You can go on YouTube and type in my name. What's my name?
Rayan.
Makharij in English. Type that in and you can see the video there and you can learn it.
Okay.
From alif, and what you do is write down the letters on the side like alif, ba, ta, tha. Write it on the side. Alif, makhraj of alif, ba, makhraj of ba, and then makhraj of ta, makhraj of tha. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you do that, then inshallah it will be really, really good. Okay, so I want you to learn the makharij, and from page 11, you can do that tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much. Lovely. Okay, and hopefully once we get the our iPad connected, hopefully anything you do not understand, then I will hopefully write it down for you once we get over it. Anyway, do we have another person in line? Okay, let's see. We have. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Who's calling?
Huh?
Who's calling?
Zainab.
Zainab, where are you calling from?
Huh?
Where are you calling from, Zainab?
Ilford.
Can you speak a bit loud? I can't hear you. Zainab, how old are you?
7.
Okay, are you ready to read? No, you need to put your TV volume off. Put the television volume off. That is the reason why
Yes.
you can't hear me.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Ha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin.
Sheen. Once it comes on the screen.
Shin, Sod, Ba, Dod, Ba, Va, Ain, Ghin, Ba, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ya.
Excellent. And third slide, please. Your TV volume is off, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Va, Sa, Waw, Jim, Ya, Sa, Sin, Ha, Kaf, Za, Alif, Ta, Sad, Ta, Ba, Qaf.
Sheen.
Sin, Zal, Dod, Ha, Lam, Noon, Dal, Ra, Ghain, Qaf, Ain, Mim, Sin, Zal, Sad, Ha.
Okay, brilliant. Very good. Now, do you know the Makharij?
No.
Okay, is this the first time you're calling, Zainab?
Yeah.
You've never rang before, right?
Never.
Okay, good. Well, you read well, and I want you to call regularly, every day if you can.
Okay.
Okay, now, what I need you to do is maybe someone at home can take you on YouTube, okay? And you can type in Rayan Mahmud, my name, Makharij in English. And I want you to learn the Makharij. Makharij means where the sound of the letters originate from, okay? Where the sounds of the letters come out from, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to learn the Makharij slowly, because there's Alif till Ya. So you can write Alif on one side of the paper, Alif, write the Makharij of Alif next to it, miss out a couple of lines, then write the letter Ba, write the Makharij of Ba, and so on and so forth. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so start from now, and tomorrow, same time again, call me. Call me every day, in fact. And
Yeah.
every day we have something different. Today we do this specific qaida on Monday, so we all the callers, all the viewers, we read together on the same sabak and we finish together. Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, these 3 days are the QMQ days, qaida, memorization, Quran. It's another qaida that I teach. There's memorization. If you memorized any surahs, I will listen to that, and also Quran sabak as well. So it's your sabak. You do your own sabak, okay? So I'll speak to you tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah.
Zainab?
Yeah.
Take care then. Assalamu alaikum. After the break, we'll talk to everyone else. Inshallah, stay put. Assalamu alaikum.